So I made Bofrot for the family over the weekend, fried the first batch and added Oreos to the second batch, and the outcome was fabulous that they finished within a blink. And this is the second time I'm making this exact recipe. Hi everyone, a very warm welcome to my channel. I'm sharing with you this amazing recipe. Do stick with me if you want to know how it was made. Thank you. So in a bowl, I'll start by adding 4 cups of flour, and the flour has already been sifted to save time. I'll add 1/4 cup of powdered milk and then a half cup of sugar. You can add more if you have a sweet tooth. I'll proceed and add a tablespoon of nutmeg, pinch of salt, and I'll stir before adding the yeast since salt slows down the fermentation process. I'll mix and add 2 tablespoons of yogurt, which is optional, and I'll add 2 cups of warm milk. Mix everything together before adding the rest. All ingredients used are listed in the description box, so please check. So when I'm done mixing, I'll add 2 tablespoons of melted butter, some drops of vanilla extract, and I'll add like 1/4 cup of milk and then mix everything once again. So if you've watched this far, thank you so much for your time. I truly appreciate it. And this is the outcome or texture I want. You can add just a little amount, but don't add too much so it doesn't become runny. When I'm done, I'll cover with a cling film and allow it to sit for 40 to 45 minutes. So I'll preheat the pan and then add some oil and head over to check on the butter since it's been 40 minutes. So I'll just remove the cling film, and as you can see, our butter has risen. I'll just deflate the dough, and this helps remove the gluten in it. So I'll start frying the first batch. I need to make sure the oil is sizzling hot before adding the butter, and it should be fried on medium heat. Nti ɛwɔ sɛ woma anwa no yɛ hye paa ansa na wode wo butter no atom. Ɛnyɛ saa a butter no bɛsoak too much oil. Na wode gu mu wie nso a ɛwɔ sɛ wo make sure sɛ oil no walo gya ne kakra na ato ne bo ase abɛn kakra nkakra. So the first batch is fried to perfection. I'll add some Oreos in a Ziploc bag and I'll seal it. And when I'm done, I'll use a muddler to mash or break into pieces. Afterwards, I'll add it back to the batter and then I'll mix everything. So aside breaking this into pieces, you can just get yourself some mini Oreos and you rub the Oreos with the butter and then you start frying. This is such an easy recipe that I really hope you try. And if you don't have a sweet tooth, you can omit adding the Oreos and then just fry your butter. You know, the first batch also came out perfectly. So this is the outcome after frying. It came out beautifully and then it was so nice. And I told you earlier, it finished within a blink. So I'll just be showing you how the inside looks. And this is the first one. This is without the Oreos. Just look at that. And this is the second batch, the one with the Oreos. Just look at that as well. It came out beautifully. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and then subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.